What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I've reviewed a couple of these new body style Escalades on my channel before, so you guys may be familiar with some of those, but I have not checked out a V yet, so that's what we're going to do today. This is a 2023 Escalade V. We're going to see how this does compare to the normal Escalades. Is it any different? It's one way to find out. As usual, we got to start with the back seat. Let's go to town. Back here is pretty solid, so let's see how the front does. And guys, I apologize if the lighting is really bad in this video, if it's a little bit grainy. I picked a perfect, bright, sunny Midwest day to make this video, but then this is a dark interior with some pretty heavy-duty tint right here, so lighting is not on my side today, so 1,000 apologies. Love the special little animation you get here on the new Escalade, but now it says V for the Escalade V, of course. Time for the button test. This opens the tailgate, so I'm not going to press that. And I'm not going to press the OnStar buttons. I want you guys to hear this car from the outside. Let's take a listen. I couldn't let you guys not hear that amazing engine from the outside. I would be doing this video and you guys a disservice if I started this beast from the interior. But 750 miles, car's virtually new. How did it do in my test? This car basically has the interior out of a platinum Escalade, whether it be a sport or a premium luxury platinum. So what does that mean? Well, you get semi-aniline leather in all of your main touch points. So I'm talking the whole door, the dash, and the seats are all semi-aniline leather. So big plus there. And then you have a suede headliner. Switch gear is going to be the same as any other Escalade on this one. All the buttons and switches are identical. You don't get anything special with the V except for these magnesium paddle shifters. That's a nice touch. The wood is nice. This is the zebra wood that they put in the regular sport Escalade. Love that quite a bit. And love the suede headliner and suede sun visor or Alcantara, whatever. So the Platinum Escalades, I gave an 8 out of 10 for the material score. This is identical to those basically, so there we go, 8 out of 10. As far as the fit and finish score goes, this is also consistent with other Escalades I've done. They are mostly not that squeaky, except for maybe one or two little places that are imperfect. These newer Cadillacs are actually quite well when it comes to fit and finish lately. Most of these new body style Escalades, I notice fit and finish is not so great. Is this little section here with the wood. When you press on it, it does creak a little bit. It's not super creaky in this particular one, but just like this area always has some kind of creak on the wood. It is what it is, I guess. Kind of near the vents as well, just a little bit of creakage, but otherwise this is mostly pretty good when it comes to fit and finish. Like, it's not offensive or anything to me, but at the same time it's not perfect either. So I would give the fit and finish score on this one, same as I've done on other Escalades, also 8 out of 10. So final score is 8 out of 10 for both fit and finish and materials. Neat car. Let me know what you guys think. I have not taken this on the road yet. I haven't been on the streets. I've just taken it around the parking lot, and I can tell you right away that the steering does feel a lot heavier and more weighed down. So I imagine the handling is going to be pretty good. It's going to be better than the standard Escalade. But thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you thought of this Escalade V, and I'll catch you next time. Happy New Year. Peace.